Class 7, Science Chapter 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptations of Animals to Climate. When you wake up every morning, do you look outside to see if it is hot, sunny, cloudy, rainy, cold or windy? These factors, that is hot, cold, rainy, etc., describe the weather of a place. In this chapter, let's learn more about weather, climate, and how the animals living in certain climatic conditions adjust themselves to the climate. Weather, the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. are called the weather of that place. The weather of a place changes very frequently day after day and week after week. It can happen sometimes that it is sunny in the morning, but suddenly the clouds appear from nowhere and it starts raining heavily. Or a heavy rain may vanish in a matter of minutes and gives way to bright sunshine. Thus, it is not easy to predict the weather. The elements that determine the weather of a place are temperature, humidity, rainfall. All the changes of the weather are caused by the sun. The temperature of a place can be recorded by minimum and maximum thermometers. The maximum temperature of the day occurs generally in the afternoon, while the minimum temperature occurs in the early morning. In winters, it gets dark early as the sun sets early, whereas in summers it gets dark late as the sun sets late in summer. Hence, the days are longer in summers and shorter in winters. The study of weather and weather conditions is called meteorology. A meteorologist studies the weather conditions of a place. Do you know how is rainfall measured? Rainfall is measured with rain gauge. A rain gauge is a measuring cylinder with a funnel on top to collect rainwater. Climate is the weather of a place over a long period of time, that is, around 25 years. The climate of a place depends on its location on the earth and its altitude, that is, height above the sea level. The places near the poles are extremely cold and the places near the equator are extremely hot. The climate of a region depends upon the following factors: the amount of rainfall the region gets, the amount of sunshine the region gets, the ability to transfer water to the atmosphere, that is evaporation, and relief features, that is whether it is a hilly or a plain region. The climate varies from one place to the other. We can easily find out the climate of a place by calculating the mean temperature of that place. Finding mean temperature of a place. The mean temperature for a given month can be found out in two steps. In the tables given below, the climatic conditions of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir and Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala are shown for the whole year. First, we find the average of the temperatures recorded during the month. Then, we calculate the average of such average temperatures over many years. This mean helps us to find the climatic conditions of a particular place. The climate of different regions is different. Climate of some regions of India is given below. State climate: Jammu and Kashmir, moderately hot and wet. Kerala, extremely hot and wet. Rajasthan, hot and dry in summer, extremely cold in winter. Northeast India, wet rainfall throughout the year. Climate and adaptation. Adaptation means the presence of specific features or habits which enable living organisms to live in its surroundings. Climate of a place has a profound effect on all living organisms. Animals living in very cold and hot climate must possess special features to protect themselves against the extreme cold or heat. Some animals are well adapted to live in extreme climatic conditions. Let's learn about the adaptations of certain animals found in the polar region, tropical rainforests. Polar region. The polar regions are situated near the poles, that is, North Pole and South Pole. Some well-known countries that belong to the polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberia region of Russia. Animals living in the polar regions are polar bears, penguins, fishes, foxes, oxen, reindeers, musk oxen, seals, whales, and birds. Climatic conditions of the polar regions. The polar regions have an extreme climate. These regions are covered with snow almost throughout the year. The sun does not set for 6 months, while for the other 6 months, the sun does not rise. In winters, the temperature can be as low as -37 degrees Celsius. Adaptations of animals in polar regions. Polar bears live only in Arctic, that is, the North Pole, and many species of penguins are found only in the Antarctic, that is, the South Pole. Both animals are highly adapted for living in the coldest places in the world. The animals living in the cold region bear thick fur, a thick layer of fat under their skin, etc. Polar bears. Polar bears are adapted to the extremely cold climate by having some special characteristics, such as polar bears have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background. It protects them from their predators. It also helps them in catching their prey. To protect them from extreme cold, they have 2 thick layers of fur. They also have a layer of fat under their skin. In fact, they are so well insulated that they have to move slowly and rest often to avoid getting overheated. Their paws are wide and large, which help them not only to swim but also walk with ease in the snow. While swimming underwater, they can close their nostrils and can remain underwater for long durations. They are good swimmers. They have long, sharp and curved claws. These claws help them to walk on ice. They have a strong sense of smell so that they can catch their prey for food. Penguins. Penguins have webbed feet for powerful swimming. Their bodies are streamlined to reduce drag in the water. Their wings, shaped like flippers, also help them fly underwater at speed up to 15 miles per hour. They have thick skin and lots of fat, that is blubber, under their skin to keep warm in cold weather. They also huddle together with their friends to keep warm. Penguins' tightly packed feathers overlap to provide waterproofing and warmth. Migratory birds. The regular movement of birds from one part of the world to another and back again is called migration. Migration is a form of adaptation. Birds migrate to survive. In summers, thousands of migratory birds come to the Arctic to feed and raise their young ones. Example: great snow geese, albatrosses, murrays, Arctic terns, etc. In winter, the migratory birds travel from polar regions to the plains in India and some other countries. They travel without any rest for long distances up to 12,000 to 15,000 kilometers. They have a special sense to migrate to the same place year after year and back to the polar region. Example: the Siberian crane comes from Siberia to various parts of India like Bharatpur in Rajasthan, Sultanpur in Haryana, and the wetlands of northeast India. Tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in countries like India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda, and Nigeria. Climatic conditions of the tropical rainforests. The tropical region has a hot climate as it is situated around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. But during hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. The major types of animals living in the rainforests are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, leopards, elephants, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. As the number of animals is large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals have adapted to living on the tree. Example, red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. Monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. The bird toucan possesses a long, large beak. It helps a toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Lion-tailed macaque. The lion-tailed macaques living in the rainforests of Western Ghats have adapted to the conditions of rainforests in many remarkable ways. They have a silver-white mane which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to the chin. They are good climbers and spend most of their life on trees. They feed on fruit seeds, stems, and young leaves, flowers, and buds. They also feed on insects found under the bark of the trees. Elephant. The elephants living in the tropical rainforest have adapted to the conditions of rainforests in many remarkable ways. They use their trunk as a nose, because of which they have a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used for picking up food. Their tusks are modified teeth which can easily tear the bark of trees. The large ears help them to hear even very soft sounds and also help them to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforests. Class 7, Science Chapter 7, Weather, Climate and